Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove blank rows in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet, then select the entire data range that includes the rows you want to clean up. Navigate to the Home tab and in the Editing group, click on Find and select. A drop-down will appear. In the drop-down menu, select Go to Special. Now Go to Special box will appear. Then choose Blanks and click OK. Now that blank cells are selected, right-click on any selected cell and choose Delete from the context menu. In the Delete box, select Entire row to remove entire rows that contains blank rows. That's it, you have learned how to remove blank rows in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.